10th graders, I am so excited about this week. I forgot to remind you last week, but you have the opportunity. All of you are going to be filmed this week doing your personal project presentation and filmed by none other than our Mr. K, who's as professional as they get. You've seen some of the videos and some of the commercials he's made for our school. He's going to be filming you doing your personal project presentation and then make this great montage and video of our personal project for this year. It's really exciting. Now, I need you to do a couple things in order to get ready for this exhibition. So, be ready when you come to class on Tuesday for a 2-minute presentation, and you'll have made some notes based on my presentation prompts here. So, between now and then, work on getting these notes together, answering these questions. Without reading it, state and explain your project goal. Why is your project important and what do you help others learn? What skills did you develop during the project? Think about we've gone over those ATLs. What kind of skills did you grow and get better at between the beginning of the project and the end? What skills, let's see, what learner profile trait did personal project help you develop? What did you learn from your project that will help in the future? Parents and teachers want to know this. What did you learn here that will help you as you move forward during your academic career? And something interesting. Now, this is all you. Something fun, interesting that happened, celebrity you met, whatever. Something that is just you and will make us smile as we watch this personal project exhibition. Okay, now you're ready. You've got your 2-minute presentation ready to go. You are going to upload it to assignments. Let me show you where. Right here, we've got Personal Project Exhibition 2021. You're going to drop your notes there. Make them big enough that you could see if we projected it in front of you, because that's what we're going to do. We would like you to practice and kind of know what you're going to say, so you sound fluid in front of the camera, but it's okay if you don't have it memorized. Have a few notes and we can project up there. And in case you get a little nervous, you can look and see, and hopefully that will keep you going. All right, you aren't going to read them word for word, and we will have a little time to practice in class. So when one student is being filmed, the rest of us will be sitting in the hall and rehearsing, because rehearsal, at least knowing what you're going to say, is going to help a lot. It's going to make you seem natural in front of the camera. Let's go back. Now, beyond what you're going to say, we got to talk about what you're going to wear. You can wear professional dress, and as you know, your uniform is always considered professional dress, and you're perfectly fine wearing that. I love your uniforms. But you also know that those that did exhibition in years past were able to dress up. They were able to put on suits and dresses and look really chic for their presentation, look really professional in front of the community that came to see. You have that opportunity too, within reason. So, no bare shoulders. You can wear a beautiful dress, no bare shoulders. What else? You can choose to wear a particular outfit that goes along with whatever your project is. So, for instance, if you created a cookbook, you could wear a chef jacket. However, we are in school. If you choose to wear something that goes along with your project, like that, then you need to bring other clothes to wear for the day. So, bring your uniform along with you. All right. If you choose to wear a dress, your skirt has to be longer. Your hem has to be longer than fingertip length. No high heels. We have to be walking around all day. So we are going to be doing this only during our design class. So the rest of the day you will be wandering around in not your high heels. No jeans, no t-shirts, no offensive language or imagery on your clothing, no crop tops, low-cut shirts, rips or tears, and I think I covered it all. So, you know, kind of those same rules apply that do during Spirit Wear days. Let's see, what else? Okay, so I'm going to talk more in the class about Be Real. But there is another folder where you can drop your Be Real video and photos that you've been taking as you've gone along and what those should look like. We'll talk about in class again. I think I've covered everything about exhibition that you need to know. It's going to be fun. Again, Tuesday, morning design class. Be ready to go. You have your prompts already, and we'll put them up so that you can see them and run through your presentation. Mrs. Hindershire suggested that maybe you want to have a slideshow and things like that, and that's perfect. And we can upload that as Be Real, and you can certainly use that in your presentation. All right. Anything else that you want to show that you have along with you? That's fine. You see how much I gesture? That can be distracting. So think about your gestures as well as where you're looking and be ready to be fun. It'll be great, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye, guys.